ni hadin baka Executive Committee balam khmat dak Voice of the People Party VPP Hakasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC kala kenok kala badai kibor penyat district Kyrwoh kibalet don bor ban khang ya katret gate ha dihar uba Prestone tensong usemut menteri rangba ubadai pej ya katanat District Council Affairs DCA ke sarkar jela ulaong bakinu ki Khyrdop Khrong Khajna ki dei ban Shna Katkum ki Kyndon an lem Kumta haban Pynduh yaki Haswa kini ki executive member kata uba Powell Soklat ubari pej ya katanat lan ringkat uba Winston Tony Lingdo ubari pej ya katanat trade ka KHADC kila bot jingkeli balai ki bor penyat district ki sukhang sendat klam da pentip syaka council.
My only point here is any toll gate or any check gate, it should be supported by the law. Anything, it should be under the provision of the law. If there is no such law, then there is no way out. We have to dismantle it. We have to close it down.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam badon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya